Hello, you. Eric Colvin, YouTube World here. Um, I'm going to tell you something that I have not told you before here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell icon. And if you want to join the Eric Colvin YouTube World um, membership, click the join button in the show, and let's just do it. Alright. Now, I'm not naming many names of my apartment or anything like that, but I'm going to tell you. This last September, here, last year in September, I think we broke ground, or so, to have a newly renovated apartment complex. And since then, a lot of work has been done around the apartment. We still have a little ways to go right now. Behind me, you see a beautiful refrigerator. A newly renovated kitchen right there with a dishwasher and a beautiful stove with a microwave. I might give you a tour of my apartment itself, but I'm not naming names or anything. I'm not telling you what apartment number. I want to keep it a secret and not let anyone know about it. And my mom told me to warn me about that and so my grandma. So I'm going to keep it a secret. So the other thing that's going on is we have a new landscape, a brand new concrete parking lot that is just opened up yesterday. We also have a community room as well at my apartment. They have a little ways to go. It might be a couple weeks before the community room is done. First, the contractor that I talked to told me that this whole complex will probably be done sometime in October or first part of November, one or two. They have up to December to get it all done here. So I'm kind of excited about that. I mean, they did a hell of a job. Oh, wait. Hold on. Be back in just a sec. Alright. Well, I forget my safety helmet. Anyway. There's been a lot of work done around my apartment and stuff. And I think things are going very good. Most of the workers did a hell of a good job around my apartment. I wish I could give you a tour. Maybe make a video of a tour or so. And to show you the renovated apartment. Like I said, I'm not naming names or anything like that. I'm going to keep it a secret here. Anyway, I hope things go well. Maybe by the end of the year or October, November, December 1 or 2, we'll have a completed apartment complex. Nice renovated apartment. It'll be more secure. New washer, new dryer, car operated. we have to use a laundry card, and you make this office up here, and my landlord will probably move into a office in the community room as well. So we all think, about it. I hope we one of these days I can give you the tour and be outside and inside or something like that. Well, I'm going to keep it a secret. I don't want to name the name of my apartment number or my apartment complex. So, we won't have any bad apples here. Try to get your hands on it or so. Out of safety and concern here. Anyway, y'all take care. God bless.